Dave from Frontline Eurosports. Charlie in the background. Where you going, Charlie? What's up? My boy from Charlotte. We're going to get ready to go into the auditorium and check out all the good stuff happening with the new Triumph models for 2019. Let's do it. So we've been in here earlier and scoped out all the good stuff. I'm going to find you the key items that I like the most. They got a TFC, which is new Triumph one-off machine that they're going to be building. Let me show you the trucks in here a little bit. You saw that post go up a minute ago. Got some hot scrambler action. I know who's going to like that bike. It's going to be right up Rachel's alley. We got turbo on a bobber. We got turbo on a Daytona. And we got a flat track machine. Let's go check that beast out. That's the Foggy Dirt Quake T120 Black. And that thing is hot. They got it all the way back here in the corner though. So now I'm going to put a wide angle lens on for us real quick. And now we get a better view of everything as we go along. So they brought out a new line on the 1200 parallel twin, which is going to be the new Speed Twin. New Speed Twins hooked up with Brembo, twin disc brakes, the T120 1200 power plant. We're running mag wheels, twin clocks. We got the new switch cubes. So this is going to be a nice little hot rod. I like the embellishment they put over here. Covered up the throttle bodies a bit. Excuse me. Then, over here's all the apparel, all that good stuff. Accessories, custom apparel. Darren? What's up, Darren?
What's up, guys?
You having a good day at the end? Having a good chat. We need to go over here. I hear the Moto 2 bike. Let's go check out Moto 2. Yes, sir. We got our other famous people like CEO Nick Bloor. We got our CFO Adam over here. Big man Bill right here. Good to see you, sir. Pleasure to see you. We're going to roll on into the inspiration packages on the new Street Scrambler. With some of the new modifications they made, we're working with wider forks on the front, which is really the main thing that I remember because it was a definite change in the machine. I like the new high fender option to have an inspiration package. Nice flat seat, Vance and Hines. It's going to be more and more off-road capable machine as we keep going through the Scrambler line. Because we get to get up to the 1200s here in a minute. They started making some customs. So we've got a little Street Twin rocking over here. The Street Twin gained some power. Gained some technology, and they made some one-offs over here, like the Bonneville T120 Ace, which is going to come with a custom badge and paint scheme. If I get the sunlight, there we go. And that is your T120 Diamond over there. And that is a machine that's going to be featuring the jack on the tank, which they said they haven't done since the 50s. Inspiration for the future. Tiger Baja bike. That's beastly. Scary. We've all seen the Tigers, but I'm going to go through there just one more time quickly and show you our XR 800 line, XCA in the matte marine, my favorite color. Then we're going to jump up to the big dogs with some 1200 action. That's where it's still got the option for electronic windscreen. It's actually a standard feature, not an option, but the only guys that do that. And since it's a global conference, the Tiger 1050 Sport, I know you're looking for that one, Steve. You already asked me on Facebook, when's it coming to America? Don't think it is. I think it's for all the European models that are here. They've been making massive changes. They brought a gentleman in to do new apparel line for him. So he's been kicking it on the 1200 scramblers lately. But we're going to travel on over here and get ourselves hooked up with the 1200 scrambler. I know that's what a lot of you have been waiting for. So as we get into our 1200 scrambler action, this is the special Baja edition. It's got the new TFT on it that we're going to go see the display here with GoPro in a minute. That's what it looks like stagnant. We'll show you what it looks like on. They're making 3 variations. You got an XE model in that blue color right there, an XE in that white. And then we jump over to XCs. The XC model. Excuse me, sir. XC model is what they're going to consider the base, and then you go to the XE, which is extreme. Hope you're liking this so far, because we got some good stuff rocking for you today down here at the Triumph Global Dealer Conference. But this is where it all came from. This was the inspiration. This is what I like. Classic, cool, clean, old school Triumph machines. And our displays. You see my videos plenty of times, but we'll go through our display one more time. So, home button on the left-hand side, your joystick on the right-hand side here, your mode selection there. I'm going to get into the TFT somehow. There we go. We'll block the view. So if we go into our home screen, you can go in and manipulate riding modes and play with all of our riding modes. You can go back into bike setup, fit setup, display setup, lap timers, all that good jazz. The theme, you saw it earlier. We'll change it. Get back to home, and now you can see how you can toggle through and change your styles from 1, 2, and 3. And this TFT technology is what's going to be rocking out in almost all the new models. Well represented with all of their displays. I like that. Very creative. Now it's over to the GoPro guys.
You're like the third guy.
So we're going to roll up in here, and this is the instrumentation that's going to be on most everything else. So we're using the same controls I showed you a minute ago. Well, we're going to go through left joystick. You're going through all of your media.
And on the GoPro side,
phone calls previously called. We got trips, trip 1, trip 2. We've got fuel, front and rear tire pressure, and in our quartz thing, we can change to a whole new display. Sorry, it's my first time using it, so I'm proud of myself for doing that. We got show all. Odometer. It's cool stuff. The biggest thing is that they'll be working with people from GoPro so that you can actually run your GoPro controls. Excuse me. You can run your GoPro controls with your handlebar controls. You can see the GoPro display on the handlebar there. So he's going through showing you how to use that right now. So one last little area we can hit up. I like this area. They're showing you how things are made. You know, got our little robot arm here, CADing out a tank. How our machines are put together. Hey, and this beautiful cutout over here. Which everybody spends a lot of time looking at this because it's the only time you get to see one apart.
Yeah.
Because they're so damn reliable.
Yeah. Good that you're saying that. Yeah.
It's the truth. Yeah, we were just talking to Nick how it's hard to get the service back because they never break down.
Okay.
And your 20,000 mile service intervals are spectacular.
Yeah, I think we've built over 100,000 of the new 900 and 1200 engines now. Had very few issues. So.
Have you had anybody trying to set any records for longevity on the machine? Calling back and saying I've crested 250 or 300,000 miles on any of the new?
I've not heard about it on the new classics, but I know that there's a Tiger 800 that's done.
Let me show you who's talking.
Yeah.
Sorry. This is Nate from Frontline Eurosports Online, and your name?
Patrick Tucker.
Patrick from Triumph Corporate over here in the UK.
Yep.
Big stuff. So we've what was it you were saying before I cut you off?
Just saying about longevity. And we've had I'm aware that there's a customer Tiger 800 that's done over 100,000 miles.
Excellent. So. Yeah. We'll keep growing and growing because these are all new motors to bring out excellent and exciting new information every year, new technology, revising, making more powerful, and different models too, because we have now 3 variations of the HT motor, basically. And then the HP motor, because you're going to have the bobbers, now the Scrambler 1200, T100 or T120s, and then the Thruxton goes to the HP. That's a lot of variations, all different tuning. So cool stuff. You don't mind if I put this on the old YouTube? You're not criminal laws looking for you? Okay, good. I always ask. Patrick, I appreciate it much, sir. Look at this, Scrambler 1200. She got used. That's what we like. Those big Brimbos. Now that was one thing I think on, what machine was it that was running M50 calipers on it? It was great. You wouldn't have expected it. I will find that machine again. I'm pretty sure it was the Baja edition. Brembo. Everybody wants to come up to a bike and go, well, I wonder how fast it is. And never go, I wonder how great it stops. That's what we need to focus on. And these are amazing Brembo brakes. Over here, these guys are all waiting in line, getting ready to hook up some stuff for virtual reality, which is something to come in the future. So we've got the Concept VR experience. And with that, you can be able to put some goggles on, walk around and experience the motorcycle. What's up, homie? What's up, buddy? Yeah, meeting all kinds of friends. So, we've gone through most everything here. And we'll be back for more when we find more exciting things to do. We're about to start another conference here in a little bit. So stand by, and we'll be here to show you more exciting 2019 Global Dealer Conference info pics, videos, all the cool stuff they're releasing here. We'll let them all lounge around out there while we take off to the outside. It's warm in there. There we go. So, Hugh and Mark left me. They're hiding somewhere. But we'll find them. Stand by for more in a little bit. There's our marketing man, John.